Okay, it's December 30th and it's 5:24, and I just wanted to mention a few observations about problems I've had with my computer this year. Am not I'm not tech savvy. I call myself a tech dummy, but I operate a lot on intuition. But couple of things that I know are wrong, and I just don't know how to fix them. First of all, I changed the setting on this, so let's check the time and see if I can see it. I don't know. Okay, well, it says 5:24, 12:30. That's not the point. Let me show you something weird. In my users folder, see, I have Windows 7 Home Premium. You know the story about what happened with that, because I wrote about it and I was disconnected. I had the adapter driver, etc. Okay, so I have Windows 7 Home Premium. I have under users, computer, local disk C, users. I have public, and I have Susan B. Now I didn't put public in there, and I tried numerous times to get rid of a public folder, and I can't get rid of it. Public. It was created 12/1/2014. My folder was created 11/18, which is in fact when I got back online after being off for about 18 days. So public, open that up. I have public music, public pictures, public videos. I didn't create any of this stuff. What's in here? Now here it says, you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Click continue to permanently get access to this folder. Oh, okay. Well, you know what? I just took my, if I have a local account password, oh, see? It says this folder is empty. Alright. So let's go back to users. Open users. So what did I just open? Documents? Okay. So let's try to delete it then, since it's empty. Okay. So it went. It didn't do that before. So any of this public stuff, send it to the recycle bin. What's in here? First of all, let's see what's in here. It says it's empty. Delete it. The thing is, I think a couple of times I have succeeded in deleting it, but then it's back there. Next time I look, it's back there. Are you sure you want to move this folder to the recycle bin? Created 11/19, 2:09 p.m. Okay. So, it says now, if I go here, so I've got public, locked, Susan B locked. If I want to delete the public folder, now you see where delete down here has the administrator thing. So I want to delete the whole public folder. Yeah. You need permission to perform this action. You require permission from system to make changes to this folder. Public, date created 11/19, 2014, 2:09 p.m. Try again. Well, I didn't do that. I didn't do it. Let's see, look. Try again. So what I had been doing, I was just recycling items, but it's still there. So what I had been doing, I was using this anti-spyware, and that sometimes works. But I had this problem, and it's so confusing. There's some things that are wrong, and I just don't know how to change them. So I guess I should try that again. Maybe I will do that. But another thing, I regularly check the firewall. Under here, System and Security, Windows Firewall, allow a program through Windows Firewall. What often happens, and as you see here, this one, Core Networking, it's got Home Private checked off. It's often, I have Public checked off as well. And I didn't do that, and it's like that. There's Google Chrome. So, and that's all. But Look down here. I can try to change the settings, for example. See, first of all, see this remove button? I can't remove anything. It's grayed out. If I want to change the settings, for example, say I want to take out Google Chrome. Oh, no, I can't do it. All right. File and printer sharing. Okay, so say I check that off. So now so look, change settings is grayed out. I'm supposed to be able to change things, but remove is still grayed out. I can't remove anything. All right, so I don't want that. All right, so let me just say this: when I reboot my computer, or if I haven't checked this for a while, I'll often come to open it and I'll find public checked off on core networking. I'll find home group checked off, and I'll find I don't even know if all this stuff is real or not. I mean, I have no idea. I have a feeling some of the names in here are just BS. But let me just show you. So now suppose I want to say, okay, Windows Firewall, let's restore defaults on Windows Firewall. Restore defaults. Okay. So I restore defaults. Restore default settings. It says, well, delete all settings that you have made since Windows was installed. This may cause some programs to stop working. Do you want to continue? So I say yes. Okay. So now go back here. So I did that. Allow a program through. Now you see, we have core networking. Home and public are checked off. I just don't think that's right. And anytime I try to really pin down something and look in these help instructions, either that come with the Windows 7 or even on the Microsoft website, it's totally confusing. Network discovery is checked off. Well, I don't want that. Remote assistance is checked off. These are the default things I get when I do the restore default. Windows Media Player, network sharing service, internet. Okay, so and all right. And as you see, if I want to take any of these out there, I can't do it. So, and also sometimes if I download a new browser like a Chrome or something, I'll find something. Or if I several times I've had to reinstall my printer, and what I will find is the same thing. Well, the same label on a port, like for example Google Chrome, a bunch of them. And if I uncheck one, then another one seems to pop in there. You know what I mean? Or the HP printer, whatever it is. So that's weird. I don't know how to fix that. And you saw the administrative privilege. Okay. So, I think that's all I wanted to tell you right now. With regard to, let me just say a quick thing about the Microsoft, the MSE. It never finds anything. I've never seen it, anything like any virus or anything in here. You know what I mean? Like I've never, when it says history or whatever. So, okay, and if I do a Windows update, sometimes it'll be I think I have this set. Let me just check these, what I put. I think I put it automatic, but it doesn't always go. You know what I mean? Like, Windows Update. Windows Update. Okay, it always says there are no updates available. View update history. I get a lot of this optional. Oh, okay. Now hear that? Hear that whirring noise? That I always get that when I do something with the MSC. My computer makes a whirring noise like that. And so definition update for secure MSC. I had that today. It's optional. These are all they're all optional. The last important one was on 12/18. It was update for Internet Explorer 11. And before that, the last important one, malicious software removal, 12/10. What is this one? Security update for Microsoft Office 2007 on 12/10. Security update for Windows 7 for 64-bit based systems, KB 3013126 was 12/10. So a bunch of stuff on 12/10. Yeah, you know, and another thing that happens sometimes. See now the heat is blasting me. I will find that all of my updates, my Windows updates, have been zapped out. They've just been zapped out. They're just not there. And I have like 40 updates that I have to reinstall. It hasn't happened lately, but it did happen fairly frequently this year. So, all right, so that's about it, I guess. This is 12 minutes and 25 seconds. Oh, you know what? Let me see. Okay, so you know, let me just see something before I turn this off. Change settings. Let me see what I have the settings on. Okay, it says automatically every day at 3 a.m. Give me recommended updates the same way I receive important updates. Who can install updates? Allow all users. You know, well, first of all, I'm the only user I'm supposed to be. So, so what does that mean? Should I check that or not? Microsoft update. Give me update dates for Microsoft products and check for new optional software. So it says that. You know what? You know it's weird now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah. Control panel. Alright, so this is the large icon. Control panel. Troubleshooting. Access shared files or folders. Advanced. Shared folders. Run as administrator. Advanced. Apply repairs automatically. And it'll ask you for the address, like yeah, wait, let's see. Yeah, this is what never ever works for me, and I can never use this troubleshooter. It says, type the network location you want to access. Well, whatever I type, first of all, I'm not sure what to type, and whenever I type, it doesn't go. For example, / network name / folder. So what would that be? Network name. So what? So what would that be like? / like C. It doesn't have a colon. / So I don't put a colon. Folder like programs. I don't know. Is that right? Is this right? Or do I put a C? I could have called him later. So that's what I'm just following. I'm copying this. / programs. Next. Oh, you know it. What? Yeah. Okay. Wait. Just wait. So it says detecting problems. Oh. Very interesting, because usually what I always get is couldn't identify that location or no such location. Now it actually did a diagnostic process, but it said couldn't identify the problem, so that's different from what it said before. Oh, Windows can't find a computer or device named C. I don't know what is it. Can communicate with the name resolution server, but can't find the host name. I don't know. So, yeah. Alright, so now it's, alright. But that's one that I just can't use because it never works for me. Alright, so. Alright, okay, now I'm seeing this get the most up-to-date troubleshooters. Yeah. So I checked it off. So I guess I will get them then. Alright, so that's all right, really. Okay, so that's all. It's 16 minutes and 35 seconds.